Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make marshmallows crunchy. The secret to achieving that delightful crisp texture is simple: remove the moisture. By carefully drying them out, you can transform soft, chewy marshmallows into light, airy, and perfectly crunchy treats. This method works wonderfully for any size marshmallow, from tiny mini ones to larger, fluffy varieties. Get ready to elevate your snack game. To dehydrate marshmallows using your oven, begin by preheating it to a low temperature, around 150 degrees Fahrenheit. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper and spread your marshmallows in a single layer, ensuring they don't touch. Bake them for approximately 1.5 to 4 hours, depending on their size. Remember to prop the oven door open slightly with a wooden spoon to allow moisture to escape, which is crucial for crispness. If you have a food dehydrator, it's an excellent tool for this task. Set your dehydrator to about 150 degrees Fahrenheit. Arrange your marshmallows in a single layer on the dehydrator trays, making sure there's space between each one for optimal airflow. Allow them to dry for 2 to 5 hours. Mini marshmallows typically finish faster, around 2 to 4 hours, while larger ones may need up to 5 hours to become perfectly crunchy. Once your marshmallows are done, let them cool completely for about 10 to 15 minutes before testing their crunch. They should be hard and shatter when pressed. Store your perfectly crunchy marshmallows in an airtight container, like a mason jar or a sealed bag, to protect them from moisture. Kept in a cool, dry place, these delightful treats can maintain their crispness for at least 6 months, ready for your next hot cocoa or snack mix.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.